Stay tuned with us in this video, ladies and gentlemen. We are changing the Jeep hose bonnet, removing the old one and replacing it with a new one. As you can see, we are now using all the tools to remove the old one. Now, as you can see, we are now removing the old one. This is Jeep, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we are now removing the old one, trying to replace it with the new one. This is the new one. As you can see, we are preparing the new one. As you can see, all the part, we are putting all the part. As you can see, we are putting all the part. We are putting all the part on the new one. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are just coming across our video or across our channel, just begin to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button for more. So whenever we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. As you can see, we are putting the new one. This is the new hose bonnet of the Jeep. We are finished preparing the new one. We are installing it now. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, installing the new hose bonnet of the Jeep. If you're just coming across our channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification button for more. So whenever we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. Now it's completed, as you can see.